So I have Mukul Chhabra with me, the founder of Scrap Uncle. नाम तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. स्क्रैप अंकल के बारे में आप लोगों ने सुना भी होगा. मुकुल, अभी तक अगर मैं ये एंटरप्रेन्योर जर्नी की अगर आपसे बात करूंगा तो ये आइडिया कैसे आया था आपके माइंड में कि इसका नाम स्क्रैप अंकल होना चाहिए?
यार एक्चुअली हमारा पहले नाम स्वॉपिको था. हम ऐसा कुछ बना रहे थे वेयर पीपल कैन गेट ग्रोसरीज इन एक्सचेंज ऑफ स्क्रैप. तो मतलब आप कबाड़ दो और कुछ सामान खरीद लो, ई कॉमर्स टाइप का. बट देन वी रियलाइज कि लोगों को नहीं पसंद आ रहा, लोगों को पैसे चाहिए. सो देन वी पिवटेड, बट नाम स्वॉपिको ही था. बट देन we wanted कि name is very very important when it comes to marketing. So we never, it's a blessing to have a name which is very indicative of what you do. Right? आपके आधे marketing के पैसे बच जाते हैं.
Right.
So we like looking for a name where, because people would say Swapiko याद ही नहीं रहता था.
Right.
It's very very important to people, for people to remember what your name is. So they would say scrap से बोल रहे हो या scrapico से बोल रहे हो. So we were like obviously thinking about changing the name, and then I always wanted to have a .com also. So there were so many interesting names, like Zepto कितना interesting है. There were short names also, but .coms obviously at a short name you don't get a .com these days. So scrapuncle.com was available and was very very catchy. And I just spoke to people कि यार scrap uncle के बारे में सुना है कुछ, and they were like क्या सुना है. And it didn't exist before that. So I asked a lot of people about things, and half of them said कि हमने तो सुना है इसके बारे में, ये तो कोई स्टार्टअप है. क्या करता है वो, स्क्रैप का काम करता है. वाओ. So we got a crazy name, and then we just took the .com and just decided to change it.
You are attending this Good Air Summit. So what is Good Air for you?
So good air for me is something where there's very minimal pollution, where there's no smoke, no dust. Right?
But is it possible in a city like Delhi?
You go to Indore, right? That's a very very clean city. Right. And it's not a very fancy kind of a city. Like Goa is also clean, but Indore is not Goa, right? वहाँ पे कोई tourist नहीं आ रहा, कुछ नहीं हो रहा, but still people have made it clean, right? So if you change the mindset, if the government also aligns, I think everything is possible. See, look at China, how they've done things, and things were similar to ours few years back. So it is possible, and I think it can only work when government and citizens come together, and they just take this oath to make it happen.
Right.
Yeah.
You rightly said about this Kabadiwala Express. It's closed now. So what do you Kabadiwala Express?
I don't know. I didn't say anything about it.
मतलब it's closed now.
Yeah, it's
closed
yeah,
now.
yeah,
So what do you think? What is the reason? कि मतलब वो were they not aware about the current trend or marketing tactics या वो
Kabaddi Express, right?
Kabadi, yes, Kabadi.
I think it's nothing like that. Yeah, startups are very hard, right? And there have been a lot of competitors.
क्योंकि एक बार I also contacted them. वो लोग मेरे घर पे आए थे. They picked up the कूड़ा and all that.
Yeah. So startups are tough, right? It's not a cakewalk. There have been so many other companies who are trying to do this Kabaddi wala thing online, and they failed. So first, a lot of people do it like a side gig. So even the Kabaddi Express guys, they had a primary business and they just experimented doing it. Right. So you need to be very very focused in the early days, because it's not a joke, right?
Right.
You are building something where you're going to collect scrap, junk, e-waste and other recyclers from houses, right? So how will you make an economic sense out of it? You have to send a vehicle, you have to have two people on the vehicle. Right. And then you have to go door to door. Some house would be like 5 kilometers away from the other. So these kind of businesses would need a lot of capital. Right, it is not like a dhanda where you can just, you can run it like a dhanda, but then it will come to customer experience also. So because you'll have to say no to a lot of customers. Right. अगर आप धंधे की तरह करोगे, तो आप हर किसी का पिकअप नहीं कर पाओगे, उसी का कर पाओगे, इस पास ज़्यादा सामान है. बट कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो इम्पॉसिबल लगती हैं, बट एक बड़े स्केल पे जाके प्रॉफिटेबल हो जाती हैं. तो अगर आप फ्लिपकार्ट को देख लो, अमेजन को देख लो, जेप्टो को देख लो, these things take a lot of time to show profitability in the numbers, and ये सब density के साथ आता है. तो धीरे धीरे करके हमने वो density build करी, and we have a lot of orders. We also raised capital. You have to be open minded when you want to raise capital.
Okay.
Right?
मतलब एक अच्छा खासा business आप लोगों ने generate किया है.
नहीं, you have to raise capital from investors.
Okay.
Funding raise करने के लिए आपको open minded होना पड़ता है.
Right.
जो traditional businesses होते हैं वो इतने open minded नहीं हो पाते. So you have to have a very different mind space. You have to be very focused कि मुझे करना है, and you have to work very hard. You have to optimize on everything from logistics to tech to marketing, everything.
एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द फ्यूचर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ स्क्रैप अंकल, तो कुछ माइंड में है अभी कि फ्यूचर में मतलब प्लास्टिक को लेकर या कुछ ऐसी चीजों को
Yeah,
लेकर?
we want to be very one stop, and we want to scale decently in Delhi, build a playbook in Delhi, and then go to the next metro cities and start there in Bangalore, Bombay, and all other metro cities in India. So we want it to be Amazon for scrap in India.
जो घर के लोग होते हैं, हाउस होल्ड लेडीज बोल लीजिए या हम जैसे लोग जो होते हैं, उनके लिए एक मैसेज आप क्या देना चाहेंगे?
See, ladies are already very, luckily in our country, they will make your t-shirt a pocha, and they'll try to reuse things, a lot, and they're very sustainable. So I would say that, just formalize the whole thing, and, normalize recycling, normalize normalize मतलब इसको एक आम चीज की तरह बना दो कि ये करना ही है, एंड अपने बच्चों को सिखाओ, एंड खुद भी आप शुरू करो. इट्स वेरी इजी, एंड ज्यादा कुछ नहीं लगता है, जस्ट आपको सोच लानी है वो, और आप कर सकते हो. एंड आई थिंक लेडीज कैन बी वेरी पावरफुल, दे कैन मेक अ ह्यूज चेंज. दे कैन educate their partners, they can educate their husbands, they can educate their friends, and then those ladies will again educate their husbands and children. So I think the awareness should be spread through them. Yeah.
So very nice, मुकुल, मुझे लगता है बहुत अच्छा
हाँ जी.
काम आप लोग कर रहे हैं.
Sure.
So keep doing
Thank you so
such
much.
good
Yeah,
work.
thanks.
And we will connect again.
Sure. Thank you for having me. Yeah.